Hey, what's going on? JD here, and I have a quick unboxing for you. Today we are going to unbox the Theragun Mini. It is a percussive therapy device. So what it does is it impacts your muscles, sends shock waves deep down. The whole point of it is to give yourself some relief, increase circulation. So if you are doing things like myself, which is a great deal of cycling, or maybe you're working on an indoor trainer like the Peloton or on Zwift, this guy may help you with your recovery and in fact your warm-ups as well. So let's jump right into it. First off, this box, a little heavy. I'm not sure. It's kind of feels like an Apple device when we're opening this up. And let's see if we can do this gracefully. There you have the Theragun itself. Comes in a neoprene case. So let's pull this out. So that is the gun itself. We've got a nice little, like I said, very Apple-like little thing here, as well as we've got a USB charger, and that is it for what is in the box. So it's not USB. It is direct folding prong to make it nice to travel. Now let's take a look in this guy first. So we'll open this up. So we've got Therabody from the creators of Theragun. And that is just a little bit of their story, explaining how in 2008, Dr. Jason Wisserland created this device after an injury. I won't, go into all the details. You can definitely read that. We've got, again, a little bit of a story here, signed by the doc himself. And then we've got Therabody portable power on demand. And then, of course, we've got the link to the App Store to get the app, because there are apps associated with these. With the more expensive models, apparently you can control them via Bluetooth. The Mini is not that case, and I went with the Mini for a few reasons, which we will get to in a little bit. We've got a nice little Theragun sticker. And then we've got the instructions here, warranty information. And again, we've got, just a quick go over about the Theragun itself. So really, this will be it. We're going to open this neoprene case and open it up. So this is the Theragun. It's kind of a triangular design. It is actually quite beefy in hand. Now this guy has an amplitude, so meaning that this little shock ball will move out a total of 12 millimeters. That is a difference between this and the larger guns as well. The larger guns will go out a full 16, so if you want a deeper impact, you definitely kind of want to go with those. Now the reason that I went with this myself is because I know I will be traveling. I know I have some cycle races this season, and I wanted something portable that wasn't taking up a huge amount of space, and that's why I went with this. So, not having the Bluetooth, not having, the 16 millimeters versus the 12 weren't deal breakers for me. We've got a little SD card slot because it doesn't connect via Bluetooth. I imagine if there are any updates that you're going to have to, move basically the information to there and slot it in. We've got the charge port here for the charger, and then we have the on off, and it only comes with the one sort of attachment. You can put multiple attachments. So if you do own one of the other Theraguns, you can utilize the attachments on this as well. And the attachments are actually a bit pricey. So, if you are going to get a Mini and you do want multiple attachments, I kind of do recommend going with the larger Theragun as well. But again, this is, perfect for me, gets to travel with me, can take it to the office, can and do all sorts of stuff. And the impact of these guys is quite nice. And, to be honest, the 12 millimeter amplitude is going to be more than enough. Now, this guy boasts a battery that will last 150 minutes. It is a lithium-ion battery. There are 3 speeds, which we will demonstrate in just a second. 1750, 2100, and 2400 pulsations per minute. So that is, and quite quiet, apparently. So we're going to test that out. So we're going to turn that on. It's just the power button here. If you press, it'll show this guy's in the blue zone. So it's getting towards the point where it probably needs to be recharged. That will go red, or it will be green, depending on where it is on the charge cycle. So we're just going to hold it down, and that's level 1 there. And you can see we can increase that to level 2. And then, of course, we have level 3. So we're going to go back down to 1, and you can see, it ripples right through. Now, the great thing with this as well is, and that feels fantastic, absolutely fantastic. I wouldn't recommend rolling over bone with this particular attachment. Might be a little much. And you just sort of glide across the skin, and you can definitely see how it pulsates through. And what it does is helps your circulation, as well as, aids in recovery. So if you're doing a lot of cycling, you can have, a lot of buildup in your legs, and it's going to help do that. I particularly have an issue with my right calf that, ultimately causes me some discomfort. So there we go. All right. So we have the TheraBody app, and you can see you have everything from run warm-ups to dealing with your lower back, first-time users, intro to upper body. It's got kind of everything there. Again, on the larger devices with the Bluetooth, this app will actually sometimes control, sort of how much the impact is. For me, I just personally like to do it myself and do, what sort of feels good. But I do have some saved routines. For those of you who know me really well, there you go. Muscle cramps are there. Kickboxing, because I do a lot of martial arts. And then we have, things like the cycle warm-up. So it's a 3-minute lower body, and then it shows you exactly what to do. And this is a beauty. And we'll start the routine here just to kind of show you. It has a timer that goes across, and it shows you what to do. So you're going to go from A to B to C, 10 seconds each. It's going to go, and then you're going to go on to the next one. Once this little bar kind of gets to the top here, we got 10 seconds remaining. It will start on the next one. The grip base obviously is for the larger Theraguns in this case, and there's a little bit of a vibration there to let you know where to go. And again, it'll just take you through the entire routine, which is really kind of cool. And if we go back, again, same thing after a ride, a 6 minute, basically routine, which you can go through. So, I mean, the device, like I said, nice and compact. Claimed weight is 1.5 pounds. It's got a nice case to, travel with. And again, it's just a nice, easy to use device. Fits in the palm of your hand. You can easily, like I said, just sit at work. And if you got to work out some of those sore muscles from whatever, you can definitely do that. Back of your neck, even your legs. If you're a cycle commuter, you can even, kind of keep this in the office, and it's pretty low key, and keep, sort of the larger Theragun at home. But ultimately, that is a quick unboxing of the Theragun. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell button so you get notifications as we release more videos. And until next time, see ya.